This is your boy Smith SMC, and I'm back again with another amazing video for the week. Trust you guys are doing well. Trust you are all fine. So let's head over to what we have for today. Like you all know, I only trade gold. So what I'm just going to be doing in this video, just for me to break down what I'm expecting for this coming week. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So it's no longer a news, or rather, some people might say, okay, maybe gold is still bullish, but for me, I think gold just started the bearish run. So let's head over to what we have for today. So this is gold on the daily time frame. This is gold on the daily time frame. So before we go straight, I would like to say something that's gold did a lot of things last week. Gold was just consolidating anyhow. Gold was just kind of consolidating anyhow. So let's move on. So the reason why I said gold is on a bearish move because of what has happened for some weeks now. Because first of all, this daily engulfing candlestick, bearish engulfing candlestick. If you know your candlestick well, you should know that this is a daily engulfing candlestick, bearish engulfing candlestick. Sorry. So this was the first sign that I was like, okay, and this was the second sign. This was the second sign. Like if you should go to the daily time frame, if you go to the before time frame, you see it clearly. And gold was just like pulling downward. Okay, so let's move on to the 4-hour time frame. You can see the 4-hour time frame. That is an end pattern. So the gold created the high, which was supposed to create a higher high, which is not going to want to continue the bullish move, but it was created a double top. Then this one was a top, which is high. This was a lower high and lower low. So I think for gold, this is just a consolidation because this is what has been happening for this week, for last week. So for me, I think gold is coming to this red level, which is the area of okay, 3 point something, 380 rather. That is where gold is aiming for this week. So let's just continue. But for the now, if you see something that if you look at something, gold is still moving up from the 4-hour time frame perspective. That's what I'm saying. From the 4-hour time frame perspective. Sorry, my chat is a little bit kind of rough, but this is what it is. Let's continue. If you look at this place where I drew this line now, you see that there's a lot of liquidity down there. That is where the market has been respecting that particular spot. The market has been respecting it. The market has been respecting that particular level. So it will not be new for me if I should see maybe next week the market just move up. If the market should break this particular level, I will know it's just liquidity grab. Because why? The market already broke this level before, but the week was something else. Like it was not that strong for the bullish to continue. Same thing also happened here. This particular level, you can see it. Same thing also what happened here. So for me, this is just a confirmation for me that gold is on a bearish move. So let's move. I don't want this video to be kind of long. I was just brainstorming if I should do my my entry strategy because I already promised it before, or I should just do my weekly breakdown. So that was what I was thinking. But for me, I'm still bearish on gold. Good. So what I'm going to be expecting for this week, let me just quickly run through it. What I'm going to be expecting for this week is for gold to come back to this particular level. If you want to come back to this particular level, before it starts moving downward, before it should start moving downward, or gold might just move upward, break through this particular level, then create something like this and start moving upward. Who knows? But for me, I think gold is still on the bearish move because of what I'm seeing. So there's one thing I want to say about gold. If you look at the lower time frame, because I do enter from the lower time frame. You see this market is making something like this. It's doing something like this. From the lower time frame, this is what you'll be seeing. From the lower time frame, this is what you'll be seeing. So you can't take your trade. You can't take if you want to take it as a bearish trade. You can't take your trade from this level. Either you want to hit SL. So what you need to do is for you to wait for the market to align. It's for you to wait for the market to align with the higher time frame. Okay. Yes. If you look at my post on IG, if you know you're not following me on IG, if you want to, please go to check my channel. I already pinned it here, so you can search for it as Smith SMC. You see my IG. If you look at something, you see that I always put this particular level. I will put one which is something like this. This one is market structure shift. So as a trader, if you are expecting for the market to go down, you first of all, if you see that the market is going still moving upward, you don't need to fight with the market. You just need to wait for the market to align. To align according to what you are seeing in the higher time frame. You get. But if you are doing that, you should know when you need to stop removing that expectation from your head. Like me now, like what I said before. Or I already said, okay. Oh Jesus. I already said something. I said gold is still on the bearish move. The only thing that will counter that particular mindset of mine is if this market should go upward and start creating something like this again. I've known that okay, this might want to start moving upward. But from what I'm seeing now, gold is still on a bearish move. I already started picturing this gold drop into this particular red line for this new week we are entering. This particular red line, because that's the next level of liquidity. If you know what liquidity is, from what's it called? From how this video is not that long. Okay, liquidity level. This is the next liquidity level. This red line. I already marked it out. You should look at it to the other side. This is the next liquidity level. This, which is this particular place. Then followed by this one. Then before the next one, something like that. Market already took this one at. This was one liquidity level, this particular level, which market already took at. Then the market is just retracing. That's what I'm seeing here. That's just what I'm seeing here. Before the market will start moving downward. So if you didn't get anything from this station today, just one thing I want you to get from here is that whenever you are analyzing your chart and you check the market is not aligning from the lower time frame, it's not aligning to what you are like trying to analyze, you first of all wait for the market to align before you can take trade. Otherwise you might blow your account. So that is it for today. Bless you all for tuning in. Please, if you love what I'm doing this channel, please do it to like, share, subscribe, and also do it to comment. So for now, do have a wonderful trading week ahead of you, and try to use the proper risk management for you not to blow your account. Peace and love. See you guys in the next one.